Hi, Lookfantastic's beauty chest has been announced and it is priced at £85. It looks like that, and in the past, the beauty chest has actually been better in terms of contents and value than the advent calendar itself. Let's just see if that is true this year as well. Now, what is inside? The first product, LMS Pro Collagen Vitality Eye Cream. 15 mils you get, which is indeed full size, retailing at £72. Yeah, with that one product, we're almost at the cost of the box itself, aren't we? Now, the next product is from Espa. It is the Overnight Glow Enzyme Peel 30 mils you get, which is also full-sized, retailing at £45. The next product is the Elizabeth Arden 8-hour cream. Thankfully, this isn't the exact version about which we all heard recently. It was written in a famous book by the son of a head of state, of a present head of state, or the grandson of a late head of state, who claimed that he used this cream to treat frostbite in his unmentionables. Let's not go there. I was wondering, oh my god, they've actually sent this product out when I first saw it. Are they trolling him or something? It turns out that it is actually the hand cream version of this that you get, the Elizabeth Arden 8-hour hand cream, not the thing that the son of the famous head of state applied on to treat frostbite in never mind where. Anyway, you only get a deluxe size. Full size is 75 mils, so I'm not going to count that. And let's move on from that sort of topic. The next product is from Ren. It is a glycolactic Radiance Renewal Mask, 50 mils you get, indeed full size, retailing at £40. I actually have a full size of this. The next product is from Rodial. It is a Pink Diamond Instant Lifting Serum, 30 mils you get, indeed full size, retailing at £125. We've long, crossed the cost of the box, but the point is, why is everybody including these very, very high value items? I mean, I'm all for it, but I don't know, Rodial Pink Diamond Serum, I don't really see, this being a very cult product or, a lot of beauty gurus oohing and dying over that. I know that influencers have sometimes, more often than not, have their own agendas. But, I don't see anybody paying 125 quid for the Rodial Pink Diamond Serum. Now, Dr. Dennis Gross Ferulic and Retinol Serum, that is around 79-80 quid-ish, and I can see people paying that much for that. Dr. Dennis Gross Retinol and Ferulic. This Pink Diamond Instant Lifting Serum from Rodial, £125. I don't know, maybe it's just an opinion, just my opinion. But maybe it has, it makes you look like a flawless diamond or something. I don't know. Personally, I'd rather save up and buy the actual diamond and take it home. Anyway, the next product is from Medicate. It is the Clarity Peptides. You get 30 mils, which is full size, retailing at £45. Medicate has two different kinds of peptide products, peptide treatment products. The first one is liquid peptides, which is my favorite. I haven't tried Clarity Peptides. I understand that, liquid peptides is oil-free and, better suited for my acne-prone skin. Clarity Peptides, I understand, is for drier skin. So, I'd be happier with liquid peptides. The next product is from Shiseido. It is the Benefiance Wrinkle Smoothing Cream. 3 mils. You get very generous. Are they trying to, be generous enough to cover our pinkies by any chance? 50 mils is full size. I'm not even going to bother counting a 3 mil product. The next product is the Dr. Zion Murad Retinol Youth Renewal Eye Mask. You only get 1 pack of 5 is full sized. These are under eye patches. Not going to count them. The next product is the NARS Orgasm. Calm down. Eyeshadow quad, not blush. Eyeshadow quad. Oh my god. They've actually started sending out NARS Orgasm. That isn't the blush. Anyway, this is full-sized and retails at £42. It is a neutral palette, but anything is a change from NARS Orgasm Blush, and any change in this regard is good, I say. The next product is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze, full size, retailing at £23. What is that, you ask? It is an extreme hold sculpting wax for the eyebrows. Now, I don't know about you, but my eyebrows certainly don't need extreme hold or, sculpting wax. Just a bit of filler gel, tinted gel, and I'm all right with my eyebrows. I don't need extreme hold for my hair, yes, and I don't use product on my hair now that I've started, treating all the damage with homemade flaxseed gel and everything. Eyebrows, I certainly don't need extreme hold. I don't really think this is a product that most people will want to use. I think this is maybe for people with terribly long eyebrows that cannot be trimmed for whatever reason and are, constantly flying about. I don't know. Why would you want extreme hold on your eyebrows? Can't think of any. Unless, you're trying to get, shapes and that sort of, fun thing going on with the eyebrows. When my mother was small, completely irrelevant story, anecdote here, people. When my mother was small, apparently she stood in the mirror one day, 4 years old or so, and decided that, hair here didn't make sense. So she grabbed a pair of scissors. Who leaves those lying around? A toddler is beyond me. And had already chopped one entire eyebrow off when her mother came and my gran came and found her. And I think, for a couple of months she had to go about without one eyebrow. I wish I'd seen that. Anyway, completely irrelevant anecdote over. Let's move on to the next product, which is the Natasha Denona Bloom Highlighting Blush. Now, this retails at £17. Natasha Denona, again, fun makeup to try. I think this is definitely better than the advent calendar from Lookfantastic. The next product is from Olaplex. It is not the number 3, shockingly enough. It is the new Bond Intense Moisture Mask. That is number 8. 100 mils, indeed full size, retailing at £28. This is the Olaplex product that I have been wanting to try. It is a mask that you apply after washing your hair. Leave on for a couple of minutes and then rinse off, and apparently it rebuilds bonds for the damaged hair. I want to try this. I know there's been a lot of controversy over Olaplex, but this sounds interesting, and I would be, looking out for reviews before investing. At least it's not number 3, and, there has been some effort to curate rather different products in here. Even the LMS is in the Pro Collagen Marine Cream. It is the Pro Collagen Vitality Eye Cream. Next you have from Living Proof, pictured are full sizes, 236 mils of the full shampoo. You also get the conditioner. You only get 29 mils a piece, so not going to count these. The next product is a Swede Cloud Mascara, full sized indeed, retailing at £24. A black mascara, nothing to see here people, on Wemu. Next you have a mini candle from Neon, full sizes, 180 grams, used and everything. I need to wash this and use it to store makeup brushes and stuff in. You only get 75 grams, that was 180 grams, let's not count it. Next you have from Aromatherapy Associates, the Revive Morning Roller Ball, 10 mils you get, full sized apparently, retailing at £25. I'm not too fond of rollerball products. Well, at least it's not that de-stress muscle gel. Lastly, you have a Molten Brown Shower Gel, orange and bergamot you get. 100 mils is what you get, full size is 300 mils, not going to count it. So, there are 11 full sizes in here. Before anything else, let's do the price breakdown. LMS Eye Cream is 72 quid and the Espa Enzyme Peel is 45. You get £117 already past the cost of the box. Ren Mask is 40 quid and Rodial Serum is 125. You get £282. Medicate is £45 and the NARS Orgasm Eyeshadow Quad. When you say NARS, the tongue automatically forms mini orgasm blush. There, it's kind of autopilot, so I have to tell myself, consciously make an effort to say eyeshadow quad after NARS orgasm. Anyway, that's £42. So you get £369 there. The Brow Freeze Extreme Hold Sculpting Wax is £23 and the Natasha Denona Blush is 17 quid. You get £409. The mascara is £24 and the Olaplex number 8 is £28. You get £461. Lastly, the Aromatherapy Associates Rollerball is 25 quid. You get £486. So you pay 85 quid and you get products worth £486. Not bad at all, the value is definitely there. I think this is definitely much better than the advent calendar. For starters, there is no avant, hallelujah, There is no tat that was there, you know, in the advent calendar. My problem, the dud here for me, is that extreme hold sculpting wax for the eyebrows. Oh dear. And I'm not really sure I understand why there was a rhodial serum worth £125, but what do I know? I am also delighted that the NARS product is not the mini orgasm blush but a quad. You know, it would be nice if more people started. They have different kinds of quads. I particularly like the look of their Singapore eyeshadow quad. It would be nice if brands started sending out NARS eyeshadow quads for a change, instead of those mini blushes and instead of those Charlotte Tilbury quads, you know, for a change. Another star product here is Clarity Peptides from Medicate. I love liquid peptides. I think Clarity Peptides is alright if you're, you know, not as acne prone as I am. My God, look at that, it's so painful. I travelled and, you know, all came back. If you don't travel, I don't know, my skin doesn't like it when I travel. I have used the Ren Radiance Mask, it's alright. I wouldn't mind Natasha Denona blush to play with. And the Olaplex number 8 sounds like a nice hair mask for damaged hair. And the Elemis is not the Pro Collagen Marine Cream. For a change, it is the Vitality Eye Cream. So some different products here, not the usual repeats. I'm not a fan of that extreme hold sculpting wax. That alone is a dud for me, but the value is there. So even if you don't like one product, it's all right. I think this is better than not only the Lookfantastic Advent Calendar itself, but also a number of other Advent calendars. It's all right. Mostly skincare centric. The makeup in here is mainly that NARS Orgasm, not blush. Oh my God, my mouth keeps forming blush there, you know. That eyeshadow quad and the Natasha Denona blush and the mascara. Those are the 3 makeup products in here. Everything else is skincare, so very skincare centric. If you are a makeup fan, there isn't much here. If you are a skincare fan and you haven't, you know, treated yourself to anything much this year, this is a good choice, good value there. Some different, nice, interesting skincare to try out. So, all right, will I be springing for the snow with the Bath and Unwind GWP that I bought and the Sweet Care Advent Calendar? I'm completely budgeted out. New Zealand Post are releasing 20th anniversary stamps for Lord of the Rings, Return of the King, and I need to buy those because I've got 2 stamps and I've got Fellowship of the Ring anniversary stamps. So I need to buy those. I am budgeted out completely, and I also want to save for Black Friday, obviously. So with all that, you know, I'm not springing for this. And I already have Medicate liquid peptides. I've got 2 bottles. I really love that product, so Clarity Peptides may not really work for me. Oh, before I forget, most importantly, there have been customer care issues with Lookfantastic in the past. People who have commented here have said that, you know, they've had broken products arrive, no replacement coming, or, you know, no refund forthcoming, and, you know, it's been a bit of a nightmare to contact those people and, you know, get things sorted out. Just something to keep in mind. There have been people with successful purchases without any problems, but there have also been people with problems. Just saying, just putting it out there. I mean, I wouldn't call it absolutely mind-blowingly, wonderfully, fantabulous and all that. But I think, you know, different pool of products at least. It's nice to get a nice quad than the mini blush and Medicate Clarity Peptides. Nice. So rather different pool of products. The Olaplex number 8 instead of number 3. Could it have been better? Definitely. They could have left out the extreme hold sculpting wax. Could have put in a full-sized candle instead of 75 grams. And maybe chucked the living proof altogether instead. And, you know, the Aromatherapy Associates rollerball. Not a fan of that. So those are my thoughts on the Lookfantastic Beauty Chest Edit for 2023. What do you think? I think it is better than the Advent Calendar. Not mind-blowingly wonderful, but definitely better than the calendar. Do you agree? If so, do tell me in the comments below. If not, do tell me in the comments below. Well, are you getting this? I would love to know. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do hit the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell. And I'll speak to you soon.